working.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Hall of Fame City, Ohio, weighing in at 230 pounds, Tiger Zucconi.
Matches of this caliber with this level of talent showing their skills, this is why I do what I do.
And of course, a quick thank you to everybody watching tonight for spending part of your Halloween with us.
And I can see that Saxton got dressed up for the occasion. I didn't realize they made nerd costumes.
The WWE Universe just exploded!
And his opponent from Newark, New Jersey, weighing in at 234 pounds, Aaron Wolf.
We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE about to take part in one of the most anticipated matches ever.
And Corey, I can tell you these superstars are excited to be able to compete tonight on Halloween.
Would you stop, Cole? Do you really think these superstars care about a silly holiday like Halloween? The only thing they care about is winning a match.
And we can already see just how focused he is in this one, how prepared and ready he is to take on this challenge.
And he has his work cut out for him here, facing off against someone who feels he's been disrespected lately. Someone who's really come out here with something to prove.
I do not.
Double leg takedown, got the shoulders down. Oh, flips the lever, shoulders down. And there's the kick out.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
Oh. Oh, what a maneuver.
Well, some might call that showing off, but what a display. What a way to flaunt your abilities.
Boom. Trying to get vertical, but he has no idea he's in the line of fire. Massive miscalculation on that one. Collar and elbow. Being pushed aside and forced into the corner.
Springboard off the top, cross body. Ooh.
Smart strategy, attack the knee.
Hip drop.
I'm gonna wait to see that. And he evades the attack.
All right, Hurricane. Looking to put him away.
I really thought he was going to get his shoulder up at one. Standing shooting star press.
Taking this match to the outside. Oh. Oh, no. On a reverse DDT. The hit's starting to take their toll on him a little.
You might see this as an early wake-up call. Get the blood pumping.
He answers right back.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy. Devastating elbow.
Oh, to the arm. Terrible. Producing a trampling. And gets tossed back into the mat. Time for him to get back in the ring.
No one wants a count out here. Forearm club. Oh my gosh.
What an uppercut.
And landing with the double axe handle.
That scary look in his eyes, fixated on the opposition. Good God, aiming to take their head clean off. Check and make.
Makes the cover. And a kick out. No one saw that coming.
It was almost all over, almost a 3 count.
Yeah, talk about a close call.
I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes of the fact that he hasn't finished this, or if it's disbelief that his opponent is still in this. And he has no response for this barrage of offense.
Yeah, and this might cause him to lose his composure. Whoa, leaping through the air.
He's got
come down to who wants it more.
Headed out to ringside now. What does he have planned? Hoisted up high here. Oh, my goodness.
Face first into the barricade.
Oh, what a response.
Got him lined up, and it's only a matter of time now.
Oh, he cuts it off.
Ducks through. Up and over. Salida del Sol.
Fends off the attack with an elbow. Oh. The count continues.
Time to get back in there.
Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort.
Man, what a hit.
It's over. Brutality finally comes to an end. These gentlemen get after it. Here are the highlights.
Here is your winner, Aaron.
We've got one of the most outspoken superstars on the roster in the ring right now.
Yeah, Cole, he's made it very clear what his intentions are and that no one is going to stop him. Hit hard and straight into the pin.
It's going to take more than that to keep him down.
Trying to get this over with pronto. To the top rope into the cutter. Amazing.
Oh, my God. Springboard moonsault.
Wow! Waiting for him to get back on his feet so he can strike.
Ouch. What a counter.
This could be it.
Cover. Rotates out and gets the cover. Kick out before it, too.
Impressive one count, but still very early. Clothesline.
Climbing to the top turnbuckle now.
From way up.
Look out below. From up top, right onto the target outside.
That is kicking things into a whole new gear.
Finishes that series of strikes with one last big hit. And any one of those shots could take you out for good.
Oh, sent crashing right into the ring post.
Ooh, and he stops that offense.
Ducks through. Up and over. Salida del Sol.
He doesn't have much time to get back in the ring. Almost used all of the count there.
Double knee backbreaker.
He's heading to the top turnbuckle. From way up, he fails to connect.
Good golly, Miss Molly. My goodness, absolute dominance.
Shoulder down.
Can he recover?
Oh, somehow.
Close call, but not enough yet.
Time to end this. He might put him away here.
And right into the cover.
Might end this.
What in the world? Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw. Onto the back of the neck. From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
He's getting back up, straight into harm's way.
Turn it around with a reversal.
Watching, waiting, and we know exactly what he's thinking.
A rolling thunder into a stomp.
That's that. Game, set, match.
There's two. He kicks out somehow.
No telling how much surviving that will cost, though.
I don't know how someone kicks out of that. I don't know how you can still be standing.
I've lost count of how many times this match should have ended by now. Spinebuster.
Nighty-night. He's going for the pin. cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
No one can.
Slowly moving. I'm sure he can feel the target on his back here.
Slingshot, springboard, but nobody home.
And now propped up in the corner.
Out of the turnbuckle into an overhead suplex. Whoa, just floating through the air.
Heading for the top rope, looking for something big here.
Uh-oh. Way too...
Diving moonsault.
He's absorbing a lot of damage here.
This late.
He put him away! He picks up the win! We got our money's worth with that one. Take a look.
Here is your winner, Aaron.
Big effort tonight.
A well-earned victory here tonight.
This one felt special from the moment the bell rang. We knew it was going to be a show.
He had really lived up to all the expectations.